Manipur Civil Police Male Constable's 47th batch hold passing out parade. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren assures police personnel will not be victimized during promotion and transfer. Veterinary Director warns of taking legal actions against fake job recruiters. Says there is no job vacancy in veterinary department at present. Health Minister L. Jayantikumar says reluctance by women health employees to take job postings in remote areas leads to declining health care facility. And Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal Est releases advisor of Manipuri Students Association Delhi Masaj Thokchom Vivon on bail today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Laithangmu Monica with the latest news updates. The 47th batch of Manipur Civil Police Male Constables held its passing out parade with much fervour at the campus of Manipur Police Training College in Pangai today. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren, government officials, top police officials, parents and guardians of the pass-out police personnel attended the ceremony. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren alleged previous government of bringing corruption even in supply of uniforms for police personnel. He assured the present government will provide quality uniforms to state police personnel through open tender to companies for uniform supply. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren first took out parade inspection of the different troops of 2,471 successfully passed out police constable and later took salute of the police parade. After the parade salute, Director of Manipur Police Training College R.K. Tutusana administered official oath to the pass-out police constables as police personnel. The Chief Minister also felicitated 7 police personnel of the batch who topped in PT, drill, weapon, musketry, allied subjects, low and overall topper of the police training.
Singa, Manda, Pinghang Maraka, Kakai Maraka, Zangalda, suddenly Singa be cared of the Kanavi care to Berno. Sugumba Kota corruption, Huraka, the Karamana, discipline labor, Samazam, Semangamuni, Ramai of Nako, discipline labor portion of Kudopungamuni. Adelasaji announced in the, I assure you, Adugumba Kotama among the Koloi, Aduka Karigumba Kanagumba, Adugumba Yaraba, anytime. I Minister of Office ki Selda, DGP ki da direct na koi call dor ka na adu report phangba matam lai koi da information bi ro adu madu gumba quality out of the post sei lerma matam lai koi khudak da action logani.
Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren stressed on the responsibility of police personnel in maintaining a disciplined force and building a disciplined society. Urging police personnel not to solicit for transfer, the Chief Minister assured that no police personnel will be victimized in service promotion and transfer policy. He says every police personnel will be transferred to a new posting location on a rotational basis as per transfer policy of the government after completion of 2 years of posting in a particular location. Biren further implored police personnel to work with discipline and enhance ties with the public and to give public a sense of security and warmness upon the sight of police personnel. The Chief Minister assured that the upcoming IRB recruitment will be conducted in an utterly transparent manner and appealed for public cooperation.
The government, present government will not victimize anybody. Service ki promotion da, transfer posting da, ariba jaga da dom khamba khanga wanu ba legrati sahi kara leba manga leba mari leba tu toloi. Service की transfer policy को जो ऑर्डर दी लग रहा है मी खुदी में वही ना कोई border ना लग रहा है ना वानू नरगदी border कराना ना कनी मी खुदी में कोई single लेव है रे single लोइन वो तो single ना उसी कराना ना कनी अधुना नशी के शुगुम्बा या ना fit कोई बट team या ना discipline लेव team but I'm really impressed and satisfied today ना कोई मैं ले पिबा सग लिबा मेरे पंखो लिबा कोई वारी तार कांदा Nakoi boy yam appreciate tawi nakoi da Manipur ki future depend tawi. Aikoi da thajabal.
JAC of All Manipur DPC completed re-recruitment candidate of Police Constable Male 2016 KJNT Singh's badge in a press release urged the state government to declare the result at the earliest. Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, Dr. H. Chauba, warned of taking legal action against those who take bribes on the pretext of providing jobs in the department. Speaking to media in this regard, the presence of department's top officials at the director's office in Sanjentong today, Dr. H. Chauba clarified that there is no notification for job recruitment, nor there is any vacancy in the department at present. He says any recruitment will be notified through newspapers or other relevant officials. The director termed it unfortunate that bribes were taken from many people in various districts of the state, especially from Vishnupur and Chandal districts, on the assurance of false jobs. He appealed to refrain from such misconducts which will malign the department.
Veterinary department thabak happy gani thabak kawi thabak lawni haidana home na khotan tawi kholi haibagi paw khara koi department lei hauji hauji ki oina di koina veterinary department gi thabak lawbagi kawba khotpa press ta kaida ma taw koi kai mle jete reum lawba taraga su yam niom chumna exchange ki through the press ta tongan tongan ba electronic media sing da advertise adegi notification tho matung da khoi lawje gadabani department da thabak lawni happy rani haidana paisa nusa khom me khole haina tawriba posi kana umasing da khome na tawriba si masi am live thibani department ki kanu da su ijat su soi adana masi tobiganu.
Dr. H. Chauba assured that the Veterinary Department and Animal Husbandry Department is making all-out efforts to treat animals infected with viral foot and mouth disease at Borobekra in Ziribam district. He cautioned that lack of timely vaccination leads to foot and mouth disease among livestock. Dr. Chauba says timely vaccination twice a year will ward off the disease from animals. Director Chauba says Ziribam veterinary team has started treatment immediately. He also says a veterinary team from Imphal will assist to fill up lacking manpower of the Ziribam veterinary department. He appealed for public cooperation in all undertakings of the department.
Hojik thoiba anabasi sa sandanariba koigi sandanaribasi machin marai makhong nabani masida koi saphatpa ade matin taba machinjak chau to yadaba yam noriba sanaudadi laihok leibasina khar sigalli mapi anu adult site sasal loibiri walomi isinanau singna tika thabi horagadi madu masig leina si lawai tika thanana ba koina tawjariba department na tawjariba sida Borobekra gi masi surrounding area gi praja sing masi mayamna cooperation pibiraga loina tika thadok piro duga anaba sing soiba sing du su koi site gi layeng jagani koina mayamda pijeningi ba paujensi sahi gi oina tika tharakpa matamda isagi asinba mama kedo mayam leibiraga su tika du da koi thabi horagati lenas degi naro oi no masigi vaccine si koi da department ya marang kaina koi lejai pesa logoda sunna.
Health Minister L.J. Kumar stated that reluctance by women employees in the health sector to take up postings in remote areas leads to deprivation of health care facility to people in the interior regions of the state. He was speaking in the inaugural of Churachandpur District Hospital's Coronary Unit, a Care Unit CCU, High Dependency Unit HDU and Palliative Ward today. Minister Jayanti Kumar said women are recruited for jobs more than men owing to better qualification. However, women are often reluctant to take up job postings in interior areas. He says authorities are facing difficulties in allocating job postings to women employees. The health minister also says there are many vacant posts in the health sector due to lack of qualified candidates in the state, coupled with refusal by people of Manipur to hire employees from outside the state. He appealed to doctors to follow professional ethics. Minister Jayanti Kumar assured of filing up recruitments of the hospital at the earliest.
Theoretically, live. Mikel, District district Kaido Yento, distinguishing Yento, Kelly, primary health and the Cano, say Cano, Yento, many people, at you live. But when you come to reality, Madrid come up with them, why? You don't know, come young the Tado, the Tamay the Tado, the Natagan, Ferzol the Tado, Jesami, the Kasum, and Tado, it's good that it's a Tabuti talk, I say, may mammy, the album you talk. I think the person Nakamato get a mock drumble to him. As the being in Pal East, West, Bishop Guru, the Git Hobble, and not put it up, then be Tara, the boy cooking of Chicken Mandelan.
Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal Est released advisor of Manipuri Students Association Delhi, Masaj Thokchom Viwon on bail today. Viwon was arrested following a Facebook post by a combined team of Delhi and Manipur Police in New Delhi on February 15. A team of Manipur Police brought Viwon to Imphal for case hearing. According to an order by CJM Ningthozam Lanlaima, Viwon was released on bail with 30,000 rupees as PR bond for surety. State Council Lema Popam Bimol praised to keep him in remand till February 22 for further investigation of the case, but was denied. The order by CJM Ningthozam Lanlaima declared Facebook updates of Viwon as non-seditious and frees the sedition charge upon him. The charge of IPC Section 353 upon him was also withdrawn as he did not resist it when the police came to arrest him.
But during the hearing, we submitted before the court. Yes, that very statement has been made by the Thokchom Viwon in his Facebook post. And we also submitted that the very statement made by Thokchom Viwon cannot make him punishable under that sedition charge.
Right now I'm a student and I'm in my learning process in my life, and I think if I have committed any mistake, I will be more careful, and the point is I want to be a real human being in a real democracy. That's all. I am harawa haitare nahangay se pakatpa nungaitaba mayam leirame ado hojiki hoi hojiki na pidib ngasi phangiba court na pidu decision arebudi nate adubo hojiki oinadi ai yamna nungaiba poe aduga aibu support tobiriba leiriba manipur gi miyam pumnamak pusu aina yamna thamoida adum chena thamjagani haitare.
People's Alliance Manipur PAM urged the 60 state MLAs to resolve against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, keeping aside political differences during the winter session of the State Legislative Assembly commencing tomorrow. PAM also urged the state MLAs to jointly pressurize the central government against the bill. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, PAM Media Coordinator Mohammad Ravi Khan stated, even though CAB 2019 was not tabled in the Rajya Sabha, people are apprehensive that the bill might be promulgated as an ordinance. He condemned the recent declaration made by BJP National President Amit Shah to take up the bill when BJP reigns again as a total disregard to the people of Manipur and other northeast states. He added, Amit Shah's recent statement on the bill is an open invitation to people for agitation. Mohammad Ravi Khan pointed out differences in opinion about CAB by the state government and the BJP central leaders. He demanded Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren to clarify on the matter. He also announced that PAM will organize a public discourse on CAB 2019 on March 3.
Amit Shah's statement asina sarang na bamuk lakadra atopa anoba ihaw magi barton to boy na thokadra madu athuba matamda Honorable Chief Minister amdi BJP Manipur ki spokesperson na sengdok pirak le harga masigi tangdang ba mai khoi khangbaduni pamgi mai kei di pamli basi pamna kaidongai da Citizenship Amendment Bill ki matang sida at any cost I khoi compromise tawroi pamna Manipur praja gi interest ta chup choi choi da nai khoi na Manipur praja ga khusam narga akan ba phirep akan ba khongjing changsin na ba adumak leptuna leigani.
Weighbridge installed by Highway Truck Owners Welfare Association Hitowo at Gularthol in Zirbam district has been banned indefinitely. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam stated ban on imposed in A ban was imposed in view of occurrence of unwanted events and due to failure of the organization to produce necessary documents, including license issued by the CAF and PD department. Speaking to media at the Minister's Secretariat chamber today, Minister Karam Sham declared that no documents issued by Hitowo during the ban period will not be valid. He further warned of penalty under Legal Meteorology Act 2009 against works during the ban period. The CAF and PD minister says imposition of ban at the weighbridge was considered following issues over weight capacity of goods trucks and reports of unwanted collection of money by Hitowo from truck drivers against the rate decided by the department.
Transporters in the public hue and crime, I am a Tolopona Marum Oidana, Masi Sanaba Yaroi Haidana, Tindelaga Tami, Adona, Secretary the way Sigihana, Wet Breeze, Randall Miva Kangusina, CMLA Haibati, Applicationama, Sigis, and the Hanga Tambio Haidana, La Haibati Tare, Adu Makatana, the Madugi, Yeng Dringoidi, Matam Kra, Manipur Sarkargi, and the CFNPD department Gishaitagi, Matam Kra Tingle.
Local residents complained that WBM and black topping works under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sarak Yojana PMGSY of inter-village road connecting Phundrai and Hairok in Wangjing Tentha were carried out without maintaining quality. Phundrai United Club, local organizations and local residents along with media persons inspected the road yesterday. The substandard black toppings of the road could even be peeled off using bare hands. Secretary of Phundrai United Club, Mohammed Sher Khan, alleged that some self-centric individuals executed repair of the road under PMGSY without maintaining quality for personal gains. Local residents have warned of intense agitations if the local MLA and relevant authority fail to take appropriate measures without further delay. Lilong Development Forum drew the attention of the state government to repair Lilong river banks in Lilong constituency before the onset of monsoon. The forum highlighted years of inconveniences faced by people in the constituency during monsoon due to rupture of river banks and flash floods. High School Living Certificate Examination 2019 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM is all set to begin from tomorrow. BOSEM Secretary Dr. Chitung Mary Thomas appealed to all civil society organizations and private organizations not to call any ban and block it during the examination. Speaking to media at BOSEM Secretary Office in Babapara today, Dr. Chitung Mary Thomas stated that altogether 37,323 students comprising of 18,452 boys and 18,871 girls will appear the examination. She says there will be no private center starting this year. Supervising Officer, Center Officer in Charge, Center Assistant Officer in Charge, Flying Squad and student organizations will maintain strict vigil in 139 exam centers for smooth conduct of the examination. 67 Flying Squad consisting of 4 members will keep strict vigil and CCTV monitorings will be done while checking answer papers. She also said science and social science papers will be checked by specialized teachers divided into 3 compositions. Mary Thomas appealed to parents not to pressurize their children and to let them appear examination with a tension-free mind. She disclosed that district administration and DGP were approached for assistance to prevent any unwanted incident during the examination. The BOSEM Secretary appealed for public cooperation in ensuring smooth conduct of the examination.
As students across the state of Manipur, both in the hills and the valleys, are making their last-minute preparations for HSLC examinations 2019, I bring you greetings from the board. I, as a secretary of the board, wish each and every student the very best in the examinations. I want to assure the citizens of Manipur that the board is making every effort to make the HSLC examination 2018 a successful, a peaceful, a free and fair examination. All preparations are ready. This year, a few reforms have been introduced. All private center boards have now been turned into board centers. With the abolishment of the private committee, we have now the board centers.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on the vanishing remnants of Manipur's historical past in Assam. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Various places in Assam holding historical significance for Manipur might be at doom due to lack of proper care. Meitei diasporas in Assam drew the attention of state government to preserve these historical sites. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Ketrimayum Premchan.
Thank you. As a part of DIP's conducted internal press tour, media persons visited various parts of Assam where we came across Awapalli, a fort built by ancient Meiteis to prevent ours or Myanmaris from entering during 7 years devastations. Meiteis of Kamranga Part 2 in Kasar district of Assam have been protecting the site for years now. The once massive Awapalli Kubam is now reduced to a fragment enough to build a memorial. Awapalli Kubam Ningsing Luf of Kamranga, Assam is currently protecting the site. Meiteis of the areas drew the attention of the state government to construct a statue of Maharaj Gambhir Singh at the site.
Awapal ko sa itere kontaktuga marilena ba tias ko pasak malerna sing tungi minolgi angang suna khangam lu bidang ta 1998 ba dagi Awapalli ko ning singlup hadna lukmas amasya mga palasi Gambhir Singh gi muti ma khinjage na matamdragi kanjagi bne maham jelari ba mayam se koi leita laira bna yam matan aduna Manipur Sarkar Arts and Culture Department ni khangde Chief Minister ge fan ni khangde karma sagi murti sikhin be na bi seni mateng pibe ragadi maham jile lari ba mayam sna satina ngai de pen je ba so no.
An idol of Bijoy Govinda, which was reportedly brought from Manipur during the 7 years devastation, was also unearthed nearby Awapalli. The deity is currently being worshipped at the residence of one Bishnulai Latpam Nilababu. It is a mystery for the residents as to how the idol was ever brought in the area, necessitating a probe into the matter. Meiteis in the area expressed that the burial ground of Chaubiyaima, father of Maharaj Sandrukiti, located at Lalang Part 4, which is 6 kilometers away from Kamranga Part 2, is at burst of extinction due to negligence. Meanwhile, Assam Manipur Youth Forum also urged the state government to take notice of Meitei diasporas.
Fajana semaga thamba simana ma yalim khara bodama thambiba du pami akoi de du angang no bi mayam su chawkhlai me du laifam tu bom du khang bodam thela di khangidan
Meitei gi lam oijaraga so pangan de jon thoam me makoina yolamaga su icha inaw mayam ama lairi singsina lairi ba mafam si adum tongan na thambi adai yengba Manipur gi mayam ama lai achawa sang lakwa singna su adum semni sani hairamaga adum hanki amakta su sembi de jahi kaya gi mamangi wari ni masi adubu ngasi bhaboda su ikhoina adum senaraga lai angang angawba kaya na su thugai khairamaga draina khallaga ikhoina su nungsi na thambani
mapan lamda leiba Manipuri akhuida Manipur government na tongan funding khara kaithokpiraga hogi historical place oriba ngasi Churachar Maharaj ki mapagi mongpham Awapalli gumba historical place inje kamai toga develop oiba jaba sumba tongan funding khara kaithokpiraga di hena phani Manipur sana lepak ima lepak da khoina laaga na leibham moina ba outside Manipur singyo ba bhavan amaju sabi waina khoi demand togi bene aduma pu hajipo thabak oina tawakte mapalam de Manipur khoina yengaga leijiri bisi ima lepak Manipur ni adu Manipur na ngasi bok maparam de Manipuri singi kaisu kana bagi da makta khanna bidebaje khoi yam nungai jade.
The state government should consider taking measures to restore these sites outside Manipur holding historical significance for the state for it will not only keep intact the identity of the state, but it will also enhance ties with Meitei's diasporas.
46 Nongkrang Ihanba ceremony was held at Lilong Irong today on the 15th day of Phairain in Manipuri lunar calendar. Lining Thau Sana Mahi Thaugal Kanglub LSTK SYDA Club Santipur Lilong and Ima Imoinu Irat Thongnilub Lilong jointly organized the observance. The ceremony commemorates the pledge taken by people who were forcefully converted into Ramandi devotees during the reign of Pamhaiba Ningthau, submerged themselves in Lilong River and vowed by holding the sacred leaf of Nongkrang plant in the name of Ibudhau Pakhangba to retreat to their original faith after 7 generations. Attendees relived the day in history by submerging themselves in Lilong River. Angom King of Uttra Sanglen Sana Konung, Angom Amubi, Customs Secretary of Sana Konung, T.H. Ibungohal, and President of LSTK Oinam Menjor Kuman took part in the event.
Chok lising ang mga samapal hundamarigi February gi tang taruk Phairain gi thanin nimsa kaisan numit sidaida akhang hai mayam ga tanara kanda iningthau o kendra jitsina Nongkrang Ihanba haiba thauram mama hogdokpa chumi maramdi mapok tarelak haibado hujik sure haidana aikoina thamjaba pandamna lairiba ek salai tarep singase punjal lakanda akanba dugumba khunayama mating leiba khunayama sagat minaba haiba wakhalon sida sanction jarkanda ngasi gi thauram asi pangthok sabri.
According to a reliable source, 9 individuals filed candidacy for inner parliamentary seats and 7 for outer parliamentary seats for Congress party so far. Former Congress MP Dr. Thokchom Mainia, Okram Joy, R.K. Anand, Dr. N.G. Bijoy, Oinam Nabakishore, S. Manau B were among those who filed for candidacy inner parliamentary seats, while James Kasum, Swart Vasum, Hangkolal Hangsing filed for outer parliamentary seats. Filing of candidature ended this evening at 4. Leaders of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee will scrutinize the candidature and forward to All India Congress Committee AICC for its final decision. Speaking to media, Irengbam Hemochandra, who filed as Congress Party's inner parliamentary candidacy on the last day of filing today, alleged that BJP-led central government of trying to disintegrate the country, including northeast states. He expressed apprehension over the possible breakdown of the country's federal system and democratic setup under the BJP-led government. He condemned the BJP of creating apprehension among people of the state over CAP 2019. Hemochandra also stressed the need to elect the right MP who can raise people's concern in the parliament in view of the current upheavals over the contentious bill and other issues. Hemochandra assured to speak for the people if he ever wins the election.
Rajya Sabhada akoi pass to ngamdre hairagasu Amit Shah na ngasi ngangiba adi Himanta Biswa Sarma na akoi gi thangnaba Assam na ngangiba adi President of India haibasi abo party da legadobani Citizens Amendment Bill gi matang na nganga Parliament madugi achabu mami ama akoi phangalaga madugi oppose tonabagi timing ama akoi lawjaning dana with my full conscience with the commitment towards Himalaya Manipur Seva Togziningba, Manipur da Akoina, she the Langzagasu, Center the Loda Iba, Central Act, the Parliament the passed the act to the opposed over Namnana Madugi, voice of people Namnanabagi Damakta, Aichum Tokshakani.
One-stop center Saki opened by the Social Welfare Department in 2017 to help women suffering from domestic violence in Thoubal district remained shut down since yesterday. Staff of the center closed the center in demand for their due salary of 14 months. Speaking to media today, one protesting staff says that the center located at Thoubal DC complex has given service to 23 victims so far. She said they resolved to close down the center as they were facing immense difficulties due to non-payment of salary. One-day awareness on palliative care was held at Christian Community Hall in Chandel district today. NCD Chandel organized the awareness program under National Program for Palliative Care. Resource persons stressed on how to take care of terminally ill patients and the role of palliative care unit, the village leaders, students, NGOs, church leaders, volunteers and councillors at the program. An awareness cum discussion program on the schemes undertaken by Manipur Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium MSFAC was held at Hotel Classic North AOC today. Commissioner of Agriculture Department Sumant Singh, General Manager of NABARD Manipur Regional Office Imphal PN Pravin Kumar, Regional Officer of Regional Branch Office SBI Imphal Kamal Khanna, President of All Manipur Entrepreneurs Association Rishi Kumar Saugaizam, officials of Axis Bank, ICICI Bank and representatives of farmer producer companies attended the program. Speaking in the event, MSFAC Project Coordinator MS Khaidem stated the awareness program was held to aware farmer-producer companies on works of the consortium so that they may avail various opportunities. He says the consortium offers assistance under venture capital assistance, project development facility, credit guarantee scheme, equity grant scheme meant for farmers and those in allied sectors to individual farmers, producer groups and organizations to help in expanding their venture. MS Khaidem urged farmers to avail the schemes.
Maruina Masdida Kanaba PDC Farmers Producer Company the Government India Wina Farmer Producer Company sing a state sing the Simple Laga Farmers sing the Pangal Pibiba Amasun Gomena Kari Mohoi the Pibiaba financial supporting Pirega when the Putoxa posting a du Putoraga Afabam Mamalda Mori Yonzabang Namnabagi Pandam the Changsel Lakpani. Shankly Basing a sea equine Moibusum Kusam can have a conditionality. Only thing is Moin Equigal Moi service provider Mum Lazayava. Service provider sing the Mating Pang Biraga guideline to fulfill Tahun Biramatunda Moi government Indian the Pidiba equitang the Pidiba benefit as a low bu Aduga Parmasing is a hot number to view.
Visually impaired mother and son duo Laishram Thoibi and Laishram Roshan from Chairen Mangzing Ward No. 4 of Kumbi constituency will be treated at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences and Hospital, Jenims, under the instruction of Chief Minister Nongthongban Bireen. The mother and son duo were taken to the hospital following an inspection visit by Nongthongban Rajendro, brother of Chief Minister, advisor of CM, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Jenims Medical Superintendent L. Ranbir and other staffs upon the instruction of the Chief Minister. Rajendro and Borayangbi Gram Panchayat Pradhan Thiam Binokumari also provided financial assistance to the family. Visually impaired Roshan will be appearing high school living certificate examination which commences tomorrow. Rajendra assured that the government will bear all medical expenses and also construct a new house for the poor family in 15 days.
Moy animak se koi mamit udrabanina miyang mimana draba haibadu warabanina makoi enigi koi katse kudakta dumak ngasi netra to hayang mai koi katse pirani semaisti silupa lak anigi katsima akoi ngasi 2-3 days sida pirani madugi manungdagi ni akoi na layang ba hodorisi
hanadi aisi bil uraroitra hana pakhacharamban adugo hojiti lebak sigi minister sar pabungna aibu bil uhangadore thangi senga
Free gas connection were given to 308 women beneficiary of Patsoi constituency under Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana today. The distribution was held under the initiative of MLA Patsoi A.K. Mirabai at Tabungkhok Community Hall. Speaking in the event, MLA A.K. Mirabai says Ujwala Yojana benefits were earlier given to only those beneficiaries under 2011 census and AAY card holders. But now some changes were made and hence Food Security Act card holders are also included in the scheme. She assured of providing benefits of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samapada Yojana and health card to beneficiaries of the constituency. Panchayat members, Pradhan and Zilla Parisat members of Patsoi constituency attended the event.
Food Security Eki Makada card paiba Miyoi Kudingmak Hariba scheme se apply to Yaragani Adugumlaba facility dugi Makada Nasi Equina scheme se Praja section Kudingmakta Yohanaba hotnajabani matam matamgi India government na paikhatlagliba scheme singase Manipur gi kachin koya yohanba haibase elected member oiriba aikoi gi chawroba thodang kaya leibana maram oiraga ngasi hariba ujawala scheme gi bakada piga doriba se aikoi gi leiriba restart tawroba kya se yohanna bo honajabani.
A combined team led by NAB Additional SP RK Saklemba destroyed mass illegal poppy plantation at Thombul and Aziyang village of Pailankot Hill Range in Kangpopi district today. The team, comprising of personnel of NAB, NCB, Home Guards, 7MR and Imphal East Police, destroyed the poppy plants cultivated over a stretch of 105 acres of land. The destroyed poppy plants were worth producing 1,050 kg of opium. Assam Rifles seized smuggled wool is yours tablets worth around 14 crore 58 lakh rupees yesterday. 243 packet of wool is yours tablet containing altogether 4,86,000 tablets were confiscated from two miscreants coming in a four-wheeler Tata area SUV towards Imphal from More at Kuding Thabi Assam Rifles checkpost in Tengnopal district around 3:30 p.m. The miscreants are identified as Angam Jonathan, 36 years, from Maichamun village of Churachandpur district, and Kamtin Say Tauthang, 29 years, from Zalenphai Part 3, More Ward number 3. Imphal West Commando team carried out cordon and search operations at various places of Imphal West district today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police, T.H. Krishna Tombi, carried out search operations at Wahing Lekai, Ziri Parking and Maharani Bridge from 8 a.m. to 8:45 a.m. A total of 352 individuals were verified and 23 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. The team also conducted search operations at Chairao Hill areas from Tharon village towards Thangmaiban and Nepali Basti this afternoon. Door-to-door search operation was also carried out at Langol's Ramgailong village. El Mani Gaura Sangeet Academy felicitated Sobam Borod, who was conferred with Inspire Awards 2019 during a function held at IIT Delhi organized by Department of Science and Technology, National Innovation Foundation India from February 14 to 15. Manipur State Kala Academy awardee Kakching Tabam Hemchandra was also felicitated on the occasion held at Thobal Wangke Mamang Lekai Mandap today. Now the sports news. Ribaskar will face Bona in the final match of the second clay court state level men open singles tennis tournament. In today's first semi-final match played at IDTA's clay tennis court, Lamphilpad, Ribaskar defeated Becker 6-1, 7-5 to enter the final. In the second semi-final match, Bona defeated Ranjan 6-4, 7-5 and entered the final. 8 men players are participating in the tennis tournament organized by Imphal District Tennis Association under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association. Mixed doubles match of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Semi-final matches for the first KC Sarma Memorial Veteran Football Tournament is all set to begin. In today's second quarter-final match, Flam Imphal defeated IEVFA Salanthong 2-0 and entered the semi-finals. For the winners, L. Lolendro and A. Mahesh scored 1 goal each in the 39th and 55th minutes of the match. In today's third quarterfinal, VSAI Thamaiban defeated Sangai FC Thamaiban 2-1. VSAI Thamaiban players Uttam and Imocha scored 1 goal each in the 5th and 12th minutes of the match and entered the semi-finals. In the fourth quarterfinal match, Musa Chekon defeated ATVFA Thamaiban in the penalty kicks after both the teams could not score any goals in the given time. 8 teams are participating in the football tournament organized jointly by KC Sarma Memorial Trust and Sekta Sporting Club Sekta under United Veteran Football Association of Manipur. FC Imphal will meet Flam Imphal and VSAI Thamaiban will meet Musa Chekon in the first and second semi-final matches respectively on the 21st of this month. Selection trials to choose players for participating in the 12th Senior Mr. India Bodybuilding Men and Women and 7th Men Physics Sports and Women Physics National Championship 2019 will be held at Old Manipur Bodybuilders Association office in Kumanlam Park on February 24. The championship under Indian Bodybuilding Federation will be held in Tamil Nadu from March 29 to 31. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur Civil Police Male Constable's 47th batch holds passing out parade. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren assures police personnel will not be victimized during promotion and transfer. Veterinary Director warns of taking legal actions against fake job recruiters, says there is no job vacancy in Veterinary Department at present. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar says reluctance by women health employees to take job postings in remote areas leads to declining health care facility. And Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East releases advisor of Manipuri Students Association Delhi, Masaz Thokchom Viwon on bail today.